Hello traders, my name is Renz Fisher and you're watching my YouTube channel where I talk about stock investments, options trading and finance in general. If you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button. I will really appreciate every new fan to my YouTube channel so it can grow big. Also, I should mention I get COVID. It's already day 5. The symptoms are quite mild and I hope to get back. I hope to get well soon. Last but not least, I am doing a screencast on my MacBook. This is my first screencast for the YouTube. I just decided to. Usually, I'm taking my phone and filming myself like that. You see that? I don't know, like from this position and holding my phone, but now most of my hands are free, and I can actually use them on my keyboard. And what I wanted to do, I wanted to make a video about Virgin Galactic stock. Is it a buy? And I decided to use to demonstrate some charts from my screen. And let's dive in. So, is Virgin Galactic stock a buy? So I have a few charts here are already enabled. So these are moving averages, 50, 200, and EMA. Actually, which indicator we need is moving averages, 50, 200, to get an overall view. So I am at the trading view chart, looking at this Virgin Galactic sticker, and I have applied indicators from this view. Let me remove them so we have a better understanding. Virgin Galactic stock is trading right now about $9 US. Let me reapply those indicators. Moving averages. And no, not this one. I just needed moving average 50 to 100. Yep, this one. And I like to have relative strength index. So I will remove this one. And what do we see here? It's quite interesting. This chart already tells me that Virgin Galactic stock is not a buy yet, because we can see there have been 2 death cross and 1 golden cross. What it basically means, it's when those 2 crosses, it means either that stock is trending downwards or stock is going to trend upwards. And it's quite interesting to see that back in the May 2021, this technical analyst showing that it got into the death cross, but the stock actually went uptrend. Then it changed and it kind of caught this uptrend right here, but then the stock dropped and it actually noticed that it's in the downtrend around September 2021, and it has been downtrending ever since. It actually started downtrending in August. I remember that I was holding put options with Virgin Galactic stock, and it was trading about $34, and I was not happy. I was holding call options, and they were into the money, and luckily it turned out good. But now I'm again holding a few put options with Virgin Galactic stock, and then actually holding a 21 strike price put option while the stock is trading about $9, which doesn't make me happy. And this is the reason I decided to do some technical charting to understand what's happening with Virgin Galactic. And I can see that there is not yet a light at the end of the tunnel. If speaking with Virgin Galactic, who knows? We should come back and check these charts more often, I guess. I think in a week or 2 weeks. But right now, I I cannot see the light at the end of the tunnel, or I cannot see the trend change here. Also, when looking on the relative straight index, it seems it was in the oversold territory at the end of the January. It's kind of good. It hopefully it won't go lower, but it's not said it's not gonna go lower. It can go actually quite lower. This is the same with stocks. They can sometimes go down to zero. So, in if we want to in conclusion, what can I say? I don't see a Virgin Galactic stock as a buy right now. All right. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the content I'm making, please consider subscribing. And see you soon. And don't forget to leave a comment. Do you like us screencasts like that? All right. Thanks for watching. See you soon. See you very, very soon.